So you guys may have noticed that when every time I go down or I switch time frames, the support and resistance levels are always that of the time frame, that of one higher time frame above, right? So if I go down to the daily time frame, the support and resistance levels that show on that time frame are from the weekly. If I go up to the weekly time frame, the support and resistance levels that show on that time frame are from the monthly, right? So using the 0.0 support and resistance indicator, which is the indicator that I use, I'm going to show you guys how you add the indicator to your charts, to show the support and resistance levels from the time frame above. Okay, real easy to do, real easy. You just have to add it to the chart a few times, approximately about 6 times. You will need to add the indicator to the chart, but I'm going to show you guys how to add it, and then you'll be able to see the support and resistance levels from the time frame above on any time frame that you go on. So we're going to start on the monthly time frame. So here we go. This is the monthly chart, and basically what we're going to do, we're going to grab the indicator. Here it is, right here. And for the monthly time frame, now this time frame is the only time frame that I have the support and resistance levels from that time frame. So go monthly. We want to see the monthly support and resistance levels because it doesn't give me an option on the indicator. It doesn't give me an option to go yearly. Monthly is the highest levels that it will go. Okay. All right. So I want to tell the indicator that show me the monthly support and resistance levels, and which chart I want you to show it to me on, the monthly time frame. Yeah, allow DLL imports to, they want to make sure that's clicked, and boom, there you have it. So on this chart right here, it's showing the monthly, the support and resistance levels from the month. Okay, so let's go down to the weekly. Okay, now here's where it gets a little bit different. So on the weekly, we want to go ahead and grab the indicator, add it to the chart again. You can add this indicator to the chart as many times as you need it, right? Right there. Okay. So you want to go ahead. So now we're going to tell the indicator since we're on the weekly time frame, we want to see the levels from the monthly time frame, right? And we want, and then visualization, we're telling the indicator that we want to see them on the weekly time frame, because that's the time frame that we're looking at, weekly, and we want to see the levels from the monthly time frame. So now on the weekly time frame, you see monthly support and resistance levels, and you just continue to do the same thing downward. So go to the daily, grab the indicator again, throw it onto the chart, let the indicator know we'd like to see the levels from the weekly chart, because that's one time frame above. We're on the daily, so the time frame above is the weekly. So we want to see the levels from the weekly time frame, and we want to see it on the daily, on our daily time frame. Now you have your weekly support and resistance levels showing up on the daily chart. Now let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour. We want to let the indicator know that we want to see daily support and resistance levels, and we want to see them on our 4 hour. There you go. You have it, support and resistance levels on the 4 hour time frame, daily support and resistance levels. All right, let's go to the 1 hour, and we go through the same thing. So so we're on the 1 hour time frame. We want to see the support and resistance levels on the 4 hour, and we want to see them on the 1 hour chart. All right, now here's the tricky part. We go down to the 30 minutes. So the 30 minute, the 15 minute, the 5 minute time frame, and the 1 minute time frame, I treat them all the same. Treat them all the same. I add the indicator, and I want to see the 1 hour level on all of these lower time frames, 1 hour support and resistance levels, and I would like to see them on the 30 minute, the 15 minute, the 5 minute, and the 1 minute chart. There you go. All right, so we have all of our support and resistance levels plotted on the chart from the higher time frame. There's the monthly, there's the weekly, showing the monthly support and resistance levels. There's the daily, showing the weekly support and resistance levels. 4 hour, showing the daily support and resistance levels. The 1 hour, showing the 4 hour support and resistance levels. And then the smaller time frames, 30, 15, 5 minute, and 1 minute, are all showing the 1 hour support and resistance levels. So let me go over one more thing with you guys. So when you add this indicator, let me show you the indicators that are on the chart. Okay, drag this over here. Here are the indicators. So you guys see we had to upload this indicator 6 times, right? But I want to show you guys something. So I'm going to go here, I'm click on, I'm going to edit it, right? Every now and then, especially when you get down to the smaller time frames, the levels, the support resistance levels, they don't want to draw onto the chart, right? Here's why. Here's what I've realized. That if you go right down here to where it says max history bars, sometimes the indicator has to look back way too many bars. So sometimes it's set to like 5,000 and 10,000 look back. If you have an issue with the indicator loading onto the chart kind of slow or not loading at all, you simply just want to go in and lower this look back the look back for the history bars. So you want to probably lower this down to like 1,000 or something like that, and then that should instantly speed the indicator up when it comes to loading it on the chart, right? So that's what I wanted to show you guys, in addition to how you load a chart, how you load all of your support and resistance levels onto the charts. All right. Hopefully this video helps, guys. If you have any questions or any questions about the indicator, how to purchase the indicator, and how to load it onto the chart, you can leave a comment in the comments below. And again, I hope this helps. Forex King. Have a good day.